Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see the age of your TikTok account, because there's not like a button you can click to see your TikTok account's age, or like the date of birth you put, because your TikTok account's age is going to be according to the date of birth you entered when you created your account, and you cannot change the date of birth once you create your account later. Once you enter the one date of birth, it's that permanently. But let's say you wanted to check your date of birth to see what you have entered, but there's not a specific button. You need to download the data and then see it through the data, and I'll show you guys how you guys can do that. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, and hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. After you open TikTok, click on profile at the bottom right corner, and then click on the three line at the top. From over here, choose settings and privacy. And from over here, you want to go on account. Once you go on account, over here you can see download your data option. Click on it. Once you're on downloaded data option, what you want to do is wait for some time until this page loads up, and over here you want to choose whether you want it on TXT or JSON format. Choose TXT, because if you choose JSON, then it's going to be a longer format. You need to unzip it and do the stuff, so just choose TXT. Click on request the data, and the data will be requested. After the data is requested, it's going to bring you to download data. So after some times, basically TikTok will provide you your data. You can come over here and choose download data and download it from over here. Once you download it, you can open the file, and from over there you can check all of your data, and from there you can see age. You can check your age, and it's going to show you what your TikTok age is, or what the date of birth you entered when you created a TikTok account. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can check your TikTok age. And remember, it might take you 4 to 5 days for the file to be available over here, but sometimes it happens instantly after 1 or 2 hours. So it depends on how busy TikTok servers are. Alright, so at least wait for 4 or 5 days. Alright, so hope you understand how to check your TikTok age on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.